Today we're heating up my office with this cool space heater from Ecowell. This is our new 21-inch tower heater, and it's about to make it hot in here. So let's dive in. This heater is shipped to your door in a nicely padded box to make sure it arrives safely. It comes with your heater, a remote with battery preloaded, as well as a manual and a warranty. Unplug the tab from the remote, then plug in your heater. The power cable is a nice length too. It's about 6 feet long, so you can find the perfect spot for this heater. Make sure your rocker switch is on and you're all ready to go. The front of the heater has a touchscreen panel where you can adjust the fan speed, add a timer, turn on oscillation, as well as adjust temperature. It goes all the way to 95 degrees, so you can about turn your office into a sauna if you wanted to. This heater has a quick 2-second heating time and runs at 1500 watts. It's a pretty strong little heater. The remote is pretty cool too. You can adjust all the settings without having to get up. And when you're done, you can tuck the remote away in the back to store for later. Then when you want to put it away, the handle on top makes it really easy to transport and move around. I stay pretty warm in the winter, but my feet are always cold. This heater is so small that I can tuck it under my desk and warm my feet while I'm working. And in the off chance I kick it, it has tip over protection. It shuts off if it starts to tip, keeping you and your family safe. In the past, I've had electric heaters that shut off if they get knocked over. This one, however, shuts off before it gets knocked over. I thought that was pretty cool. This heater requires no assembly, is super hot, lightweight, has safety protection, and is relatively quiet. What more could you want? So if you're looking for a nice little space heater to warm your area, then this 21-inch heater from Ecowell might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go warm up my feet. They're just so cold. See ya!